What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Joey Max back with another banger. I'm gonna get straight into it in this video. In this video, we are getting my brother's LS swapped cammed Altima tuned. Put your guesses in the comments down below.
Don't skip. Do not skip.
Closest guess to the wheel horsepower gets a like by creator.
We are always watching you.
Nah, but on a real note, guys, the energy's high. It's 6 in the morning. You guys already know. I'm stuck having to drive 3 hours, so I gotta stay hyped somehow. But yeah, I need all you guys to comment down below what you think the car's gonna make. I'm gonna get straight into this video. I know you guys can care less to see me. You want to see this car. So it is a cammed HR swapped Altima, oil pump gears, all that stuff's on a link ECU. He did a full 3-inch exhaust. So we're going up there to get the car, just all the drivability dialed in, and basically just see what numbers it puts down, because it hasn't been on a dyno since Jordan owned it. So yep, I'll get you guys a little bit of a video when we get the car unloaded. I'll show you it, go over the setup probably one more time, and then we're gonna get it loaded on the dyno and get straight to it. So stay tuned for when we get there. What's up, YouTube? We have made it to Martin Z Fever in Tampa. We're about to get the Altima unloaded, so hopefully the bumper doesn't have to come off. This shit was a bitch to load because Jordan thought it was high enough, but we got it up. So we're gonna get the car unloaded. Jordan wants to take the hood off so it'll look better on the dyno video, and then I'll go over everything that's done to the car. Bumper tap, bro. It got caught. Good? Yeah, you're good now. Just pull it off. You'll see it. Pull it off. Go. Oh, bro, slow. Fucking first day. I don't give a fuck. Cams. It has C8 cams. It has the upgraded billet oil pump. It has GTR injectors, fuel pump, Holley high ram, long tube headers with a full 3-inch exhaust. So the car should make decent power. So we'll get this. I'll pick this camera up once the car's loaded on the dyno. But you can hear that. You can hear the chomp from there. It sounds pretty cool for an Altima. Martin's in there getting everything. Basically, probably looking over the tune, making sure everything looks right before we go walk. But the car's all loaded up, so we'll see what she makes. If you didn't already put what you think the car's gonna make, because you skip through the video to see what the car did make, go right down below and comment what you think it's gonna make. And click the subscribe button if you haven't already. Because why not? And if you like our VQ shirts, shop joeymax.com. But now let's see how this car does. Just made 320 again, so I think that's what it's gonna probably be around. All right, guys, that's gonna wrap up this video. The car did make 320, so it's like a 10 to 15 horsepower low reading dyno. IC did really good here though, so car feels good, runs way better. That's really the main thing. Power is power, still a light car, but we're gonna probably go ahead and end up turboing this thing. So Jordan wants like 450-ish, but we were hoping to set up, you guys, I thought it was gonna make like 360, but 320 isn't too bad, especially when it's running great and the car is really light. So like, comment, let me know what you guys want to see with this car. We can do a full walk around, everything like that, and don't forget to subscribe.